Hello and welcome to this video on drones and landscape architecture, applications and benefits. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, have become an increasingly popular tool in landscape architecture. They are equipped with cameras and sensors that capture high-resolution images and data, making it easier to survey, design and maintain landscapes. In this video, we will explore the various applications and benefits of drones in landscape architecture. One of the primary uses of drones in landscape architecture is for site analysis and surveying. Drones can fly over a site and capture high-resolution images and data, providing landscape architects with a better understanding of the site's topography, vegetation, and other important features. This information can then be used to create accurate site plans, detailed designs, and 3D models. Another application of drones in landscape architecture is for design visualization. With the help of drones, landscape architects can create 3D models and visualizations that provide clients with a realistic representation of the design. This can help clients to better understand the design and make informed decisions about the project. Drones are also useful for monitoring and maintaining landscapes. With the help of drones, landscape architects can track the growth and health of plants, monitor soil erosion and water usage, and identify potential maintenance issues. This can help to ensure that landscapes are properly maintained and remain healthy and attractive over time. Furthermore, drones can be used to improve the safety and efficiency of landscape construction projects. By providing detailed site analysis and design visualizations, drones can help to identify potential hazards and streamline the construction process. They can also be used to monitor construction progress, ensuring that the project is completed on time and within budget. In addition to their practical applications, drones can also provide aesthetic benefits to landscapes. They can be used to capture stunning aerial photographs and videos, showcasing the beauty and uniqueness of landscapes. These images and videos can be used for marketing purposes, social media content, or simply for personal enjoyment. Overall, the use of drones in landscape architecture has numerous applications and benefits, including site analysis, design visualization, monitoring and maintenance, safety and efficiency in construction, and aesthetic enhancement. As the technology continues to evolve, it is likely that the use of drones will become increasingly common in the field of landscape architecture. Thank you for watching this video on drones and landscape architecture, applications and benefits.